Table of content. How to add table of content in WordPress posts and pages for free without plugin. Welcome to Albert Pinto's channel. I'm so glad you are here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a table of content for your WordPress posts and pages absolutely free without using any plugins. If you are a WordPress user looking to improve your content's readability and SEO without slowing down your site with unnecessary plugins, this video is perfect for you. Stay tuned and I will guide you step by step on how to do this quickly and effectively. Let me show you, for example, the table of content of this site. This table of content is prepared with the help of a plugin. Now, this is an important point to remember. In one of my sites, the table of content plugin is not working. Before it was working fine and creating table of content, but now that plugin is not working. I tried many options but not creating the table of content. That is why today I thought that there would be many people facing this kind of problem and searching for some easy solution. So here I am at your rescue. Watch this video carefully and don't miss out any part of this video. Now, before we begin, let's understand this. The benefits of having a table of content. Point number 1, improves readability, makes your content easier to navigate for readers. Point number 2, enhances SEO. Google loves well-structured content, and a table of contents can improve your chances of ranking higher. Point number 3, saves time. Readers can jump directly to the section they are interested in. Point number 4, professional appearance, adds a polished and organized look to your posts. Remember, say you want to create a table of content in your pages. You can use the same method. It means you can create table for both pages and posts. Now, I will take you to my site, and here you can see that I don't have any table of content for this article. Well, here if you see, to write articles presently I'm using the old style format. I'm using the classic editor plugin. This plugin does not give you the best formatting options. To create the table of content, we'll have to make some changes. Let's do it now. First, we'll have to install a new plugin called Spectra. Let me type in there, Spectra. Something is wrong here. Well, let's change to capital letter S and let me see now. Well, wait and see. Here it is, Spectra, WordPress, Gutenberg blogs. See the total number of installations. One more point to remember. Check if the plugin is compatible with your version of WordPress. Well, next, let's install and then activate. Once activated, here they have a video of demonstration. Watch that to gather more details. Let's see if the new plugin is working or it is active. We will have to delete the classic editor plugin and then it will work. Deactivate classic editor and there it goes. Friends, I am showing every step correctly so that you will not face any problems, and that is why I want you to watch this video completely. Oh, this Monitech plugin is not working for me correctly on my site, so I will delete this as well. Okay, Let's delete this completely. I am not deleting the classic editor plugin now. First we'll see if the newly installed plugin is working fine. Let's check here. Click refresh. Wait for some time and here it goes. The plugin Spectra is active. Next step. Now we will create a new story, and for that we will use our master of all trades, AI generator ChatGPT. I will give my command to create a short story of 500 words and to give 5 headings to create a table of content. And here the master is on its way to generate exactly as per my command. Beautiful content as usual, and our work is done. First I will take the heading and paste it here. Next I will copy the content completely and paste it here. Thank you ChatGPT, you are wonderful. There it is, done exactly the way I want it to happen. First we will save that as draft and then we will check the preview. Here is our story that looks fine. Let's continue with the next requirement. Now we will start to create the table of content. I want to make your life easy, as you don't have to waste too much time on jumping to every heading. I always use the notepad. I will show you how. Let's write first the table of content here. First copy and paste. Next copy and paste. See how simple it is to create table of content. This table will be there in your articles forever, and it will also speed up your site because you are not having any plugin. Here we have taken all the 5 headings, so that is complete. Next, copy that and paste it in the article. Fine. Now that looks perfect. Here I will format the heading. This is one super advantage of this plugin. You can format the heading the way you like. So here you have seen what changes I have done. There is nothing to explain about. Next, let's make all the headings to small size by clicking here. So one by one I am completing this part. I hope the video is not getting too lengthy, but I have to show every part correctly so that it works fine with you. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. More likes and comment means more fun to create more videos, kind of inspiration. Now here comes the important part of linking the headings carefully. This is very important, and listen or follow carefully. First, highlight the heading and copy the heading. Ctrl C, and then here you have 2 options. First, the HTML anchor, and below that is additional CSS. You have to use the first one, HTML anchor. Now paste the heading. Remember, you have to use the first 2 words exactly as they are mentioned in the heading. Remove this, and if there is anything extra, do the same for all the headings. Heading 2, highlight. Remember, highlighting the entire words are very important, or else the linking will not work correctly. Then comes heading 3, the same procedure, the first 2 words only. Next comes heading 4, the same procedure. And this is the 5th heading, I will write and show you. Well, now let's move on to the next part. Highlight this portion. Right here, the first word is N. Hash, the mysterious, then enter. Next, same manner. Do not make mistakes when writing these headings. If you make any mistakes, then come back again and try the same method. First 1 or 2 times you will make mistakes, but later you will be the master and you will say to yourself, why you never learned all these years? Well, where I was to teach you this. So this is complete now. First, save as draft. Okay, this is almost done. Next, we will check one by one every heading if it has been linked correctly. Check the preview. Wow, the heading looks good. Let's check one by one all the links. Check. After watching this video, you might think that it is hard and time consuming to prepare this table of content. You might feel the plugin is the best. But what will you do if in some years the plugin does not work and create table of content for you, as it has happened to me? That is why I have made this video. A few times you will find it hard, but as you use it, it will become easy. It is the best method to create your own style of table of content. Give me your feedback if this video has helped you. I hope I was correct and showed you every step correctly. I will see you again in future. Till then, bye-bye.